Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making chicken cheese omelette. For this we need 1 cup chicken cooked, 3 eggs, 2 slices of cheddar and mozzarella cheese and 4 tablespoons of butter with salt and pepper. In a bowl we cracked 3 eggs. Now we are putting pepper around quarter teaspoon, salt around quarter teaspoon and mix it well. Now in a hot pan we will melt our butter, that is 4 tablespoons of white butter. When the butter is almost melted, we will pour in our mixed eggs which we mix with salt and pepper and cook it on both the sides. When it's cooked on one side, flip it to cook another side. Just after 2 seconds, flip it again. And now we have to put in chicken and cheese. Now we are putting our chicken on one side. Place cheese slices on the chicken. In 3 eggs we will put 2 slices. Now we have to fold it like this and cook it for about 2 minutes covered. I am covering it for 2 minutes. Take it out on a plate and it's ready to serve. Enjoy. Follow for more recipes and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.